Trade Fox Jumper King by Subco. Got to use this today for a commercial unit, which is what I was waiting for, and I gotta tell you, very impressed. But this comes in this nice little carrying case. Got a pouch here that holds the actual Jumper King. They have sections for each of the different leads. Comes with 6 different leads. It's the ends that they use. They clip right into the device itself and to the different testing leads. Testing leads comes with 6 of these piercing. You see that little metal pin in there. As you turn it, that little pin pulls back in there, and you tighten it up, and it goes right in, just enough through the insulation of the wire to make contact. It comes with 6 of those. Comes with 6 of the magnetic tips. Some of these control boards on these furnaces, you cannot get a jumper on it or an alligator clip. So these work really well. And you have 6 of the alligator clips, which these are great. They have a lot of grip to them. Again, it comes with 6 of those. Then it was kind of neat, I thought. It comes with 2 of these little spade adapters. You can see they just plug right into the back there. And this is the actual Jumper King itself. You have your 24 volts for your R, G for blower, Y for cooling, B you can use for reversing valve on a heat pump, W for heating, and then there's an extra that is black. So I do a lot of commercial service, and any of you guys that do commercial service know when you're doing cooling, you have to jump out G along with Y, otherwise the blower will not run. The unit I was working on today had 3 stages of cooling. So what I did, I hooked up my 24 volts, hooked up my G, used this Y as stage 1, I used B as stage 2, and I used the black as stage 3. So once I had everything hooked up, powered up the device, sent a signal to bring on the blower, stage 1 compressor, stage 2 compressor, stage 3 compressor. So essentially you become the thermostat without having to run up and down your ladder back into the building or having somebody downstairs to operate the thermostat. Or as I used to do, I had about 3 jumper wires cut and wire nutted together, which is okay, but then you have to worry about one of the other alligator clamps touching something and blowing a fuse. With this, you don't have that problem. Very simple. Plug in your cables, plug your cable into the adapter you need, power up the system, power up the device, then whatever you need it to do. I actually got to use this on a heat pump today also on a residential job. Power it up. I unhooked the thermostat, so I had total control. Kicked on the Y. Activated the reversing valve. Made it run in heating and cooling. All just with using this. So again, this is the Jumper King Subco Trade Fox. Highly recommend it. especially if you guys that does commercial service. Can't go wrong. Price wise, it's actually not terrible, and it's well worth it.